CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. Registry Editor. Registry Editor is a Microsoft Windows utility that is used to view and modify the Windows registry, which is a centralized database that stores configuration settings for the operating system, hardware, and installed applications. These settings control how the system behaves, including user preferences, system policies, and application configurations. The Registry Editor can be used to tweak settings that aren't accessible through the standard Windows interface. It provides direct access to the underlying configuration database that controls how Windows and many applications operate. This makes it a powerful tool for enabling hidden features, resolving stubborn issues that other tools can't fix, and fine-tuning system behavior beyond what is available in normal settings menus. However, because the registry directly affects how the operating system functions, even a small mistake can have significant consequences. Deleting or modifying the wrong key can lead to system instability, application failures, or even prevent Windows from booting. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always back up the registry before making changes and proceed carefully. To better understand how this tool works, it helps to look at how the Windows registry is organized. The registry uses a hierarchical structure made up of keys and values, similar to folders and files. Keys contain subkeys and values, and each value stores specific configuration data. This structure allows Windows and applications to quickly retrieve the settings they need to function properly. With this structure in mind, you can start to see how Registry Editor works in practice. It allows you to navigate through the registry, view configuration data, and make changes when necessary. Because of its low-level access, it is typically used for advanced troubleshooting when other tools or settings have not resolved an issue. Now that you understand how Registry Editor is used, let's look at how to access it. To open Registry Editor using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type regedit.exe and click OK. This command launches the Registry Editor utility, where you can browse and modify registry settings. After opening the tool, the next step is knowing where to focus your attention. The main sections of the registry are called root keys, such as HKey current user, HKey local machine, and HKey users. These root keys organize different types of configuration data. For example, HKey current user contains settings specific to the currently logged-in user, while HKey local machine stores system-wide settings that apply to the entire computer. HKey users includes profiles for all user accounts on the system. As you navigate through the registry, you can expand keys to explore deeper levels of the hierarchy. The left pane displays the structure of keys and subkeys, while the right pane shows the associated values and their data. Each value represents a specific configuration setting, such as a path, flag, or parameter used by the system or an application. Finally, it's important to understand why Registry Editor matters in an IT environment. It provides access to low-level system settings that are not available through standard tools, making it essential for advanced troubleshooting and system customization. For the exam, remember that Registry Editor is used to view and modify the Windows registry, making it a powerful but potentially risky tool that should be used carefully when troubleshooting or configuring system settings. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.